Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in the kitchen to share with you the February Joyful Jordan box. So if this is the first time you've seen one of these unboxing videos, the monthly subscription box from Jordan Essentials is called the Joyful Jordan box. It is $20 a month plus shipping and tax, and it always includes at least $25 worth of product. They typically will have one regular item from the catalog and then a couple of items that are either a new scent, a new type of item, something they're thinking about adding to the catalog. We never quite know. And once that box is gone, it may be the only time you can get it is that 1 month that it was in the Joyful Jordan box. So this is the one for February 2019. We'll go ahead and take a look what's in here. And so we have each month the box will come with a card. On one side of the card is a nice little quote or Bible verse. So this month it says, "I have loved you with an everlasting love. I have drawn you with loving kindness." And that is Jeremiah 31:3. So these little cards are always nice if you want to, especially if you're sending these as a gift. It's just kind of a nice little note. You could frame it, you could just stick it on your mirror or on your desk, and then the back side of the card will tell you about what comes in that particular Joyful Jordan box. So this month we have 2 exclusive items. The first one, we'll start with the top here, is this Cafe Mocha Bar Soap. And I can tell you right off the bat, as soon as I opened the box, I could smell this. It smells delightful if you love chocolate and you love the smell of coffee. And it says the chocolate and coffee combine for a delightfully rich, relaxing aroma, while coffee grounds provide a natural exfoliant. So if you're familiar with our charcoal soap, it's similar to that, but I have a feeling that with the coffee grounds there might be a little more exfoliating property to it. And this one does not have charcoal, but something similar where it's got some added goodies in there with the soap. So again, this is exclusive to this box. It's only available till the end of February 2019. After that, it's no longer available unless they decide to make it for the catalog, which we never know that ahead of time. And then, let's see, the next item, we have the Shea Body Butter, but this is in a new scent or an exclusive scent for this box. So this is champagne scented body butter. Let me take a sniff of this and see if I can describe it. It has a little floral, a little sweet, and a little I don't know, it does remind me of a champagne smell, almost like jasmine maybe, I'm not sure, but it's very nice. It's kind of light and refreshing. It's not super sweet and it's not real strong, I would say. So I'm gonna enjoy using this for sure. It says sparkling zest, moisturizing, and shea butter. And this is a 4-ounce tube. So we have other types of shea body butters available in our regular catalog. They come in 3 sizes, including this 4-ounce tube, but the champagne scent is exclusive to this box, so you cannot order that otherwise. Sorry if you're hearing my creaky, creaky stool here. And then the last item is the Sparkling Citrus Large Lip Tube, and this is something that's available in the catalog. We have this large size, and then we have, I think, 3 smaller sizes. It says a citrus burst of flavor and beeswax base designed to seal and protect. And I absolutely love the smaller lip tubes. I carry one with me. I probably buy 5 at a time. I have them stashed all over. And with this large lip tube, what's great, especially if you have kids, is, I'm going to go ahead and open it so you can see, Sparkling Citrus Large Lip Tube is just like a giant tube of lip balm. And what I love about their products is because they don't have mineral oil and alcohol and parabens and all the not so good for us stuff, then their products really work. So this is a beeswax base, and yeah, it has just a really nice light citrus kind of lemony scent. So it kind of reminds me of the scent of lemonade. So these larger ones, the bigger tubes, I think are great for kids because if you have those little runny noses and stuff, it's easy just to kind of swipe all over around their mouth and nose area, and then that kind of helps protect either just from allergies or cold or whatever. And the other thing is it just lasts a long time. So I like to keep one in my desk at work, and then it's there for a long time and it always works well. And beeswax does not harbor germs, so that's always a nice benefit to that type of a product. So that is the February Joyful Jordan box, and like I mentioned, $20. You can sign up and just get one, or you can get a recurring subscription where it just gets shipped out to you every month and it charges your card. Or you can prepay for the different packages. So there's a 3-month, 6-month, 9-month, or 12-month. And when you sign up for those, you get entered into the Perks Club, and you get extra discounts on specific products every quarter. So if you are interested or would like me to order one for you, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and my web store. You can just go right on there and order your own, or you can message me and I will get one ordered and sent out for you. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great day. Happy Valentine's Day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.